Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wished you could use your favorite PlayStation 4 controller for Xbox PC games? Well, in 2025, there's a single, reliable method to make that happen. Xbox PC games don't natively support PS4 controllers, but with the right tool, you can bridge that compatibility gap effortlessly. We'll show you the only way to get your PS4 controller working perfectly on your PC for all your Xbox gaming adventures. You might assume connecting a PS4 controller to your PC and firing up an Xbox game would be simple, but it's not quite plug and play. Xbox PC titles are designed to recognize Xbox controllers by default, using a specific input protocol. Your PlayStation 4 controller speaks a different language, leading to it being unrecognized or having limited functionality without an interpreter. Understanding this is key to finding the right solution. The essential tool for this process is DS4 Windows. This fantastic, free software emulates an Xbox 360 controller, effectively tricking your PC into thinking your PS4 controller is native. It translates all your inputs seamlessly, allowing full functionality in your Xbox PC games. Always download the latest, official version from its GitHub repository to ensure security and the best performance. Setting up DS4 Windows is straightforward. First, download and extract the files, then run the executable. The setup wizard will guide you to install necessary drivers, particularly the Vi GM bus driver, which is crucial for controller emulation. Once drivers are installed, connect your PlayStation 4 controller. You can use a USB cable for a stable connection or pair it via Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Before launching any Xbox PC game, make sure DS4 Windows is running in the background. You can customize controller profiles within the software for specific games, tweaking sensitivity or button mappings to your preference. Remember to keep DS4 Windows updated to ensure compatibility with new games and operating system changes. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite Xbox PC titles with your trusty PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.